Like that. We back. YouTube family. What's good with y'all, man? We back. We live. We all that, man. Hey, hopefully y'all are feeling good today. It is your boy Jay, the sneaker guy, coming at you with an unboxing video today, man. So hey, I'm gonna show y'all a look at these kicks that nobody is talking about. I mean, hey, I haven't seen them in person, but pictures, they did it for me, man. Hopefully they look just as good in hand as they did on pictures, and we all know most of the time they look better in hand than they do in pictures. But hopefully, you know, hey, everything is everything with these shoes. But we about to get into that. But before we do, if this is y'all first time stopping through, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Or if y'all are a returning visitor, man, make sure y'all do the same thing, man. Look, we would love for y'all to stick around. Road to 100K, we on that, man. Big shout out to the OGs of the fam and everybody who has been rocking out with your boy, man. Hey, truly appreciate it, man. But yes, sir, man, unboxings today, as well as anybody picking up these? Bang! Anybody picking up these, man? The Air Jordan 1 prototypes, man. I do have an early review on feet to these coming soon, but I want y'all feedback before I drop it. Let me know down below in the comment section. Is this one of those Jordan 1s that y'all gonna let pass up? Y'all letting these sit, or y'all gonna grab them up, man? Y'all let me know down below in the comment box, man. These prototype joints, but reviewing on feet will be up soon to these. Let me know y'all thoughts, but we gonna set these back here because that is not what the video. Hold on. Before we do that, man, check out this box. Ooh, that's a dope Jordan 1 box, man. We can't deny that dope Jordan 1 box, man. But prototypes, that's enough with it now. That's enough. But we about to go ahead and see what your boy done picked up. This one is courtesy of where I get this from, StockX, I think. So let's go ahead and check it out. Bang! Okay, we got a box right here, man. But look, man, hopefully it's okay, it's undamaged. But I don't know, man. We gonna see what's going on, because it looked like they set some heavy boxes on top of my shoe box, and y'all know I like my boxes, man. Y'all know I like my boxes, but hopefully, man, we'll see. But like I said, I did get this one from StockX, and this is a overseas exclusive shoe. So this shoe did not release in the US. That's why I had to grab it. You know, I don't know if it will land in the US, but it's just one of them shoes that I said, let me go ahead and grab it. The prices on them is not that bad. Probably about 100 over retail. But the retail isn't that expensive. You know, they retail for around $100 maybe, even something like that. But opening up the box, man, what we got right here? A black Jordan box, and it is in good condition, so that's a plus. That is a plus. I guess it was just something on the top of the box, but it didn't have no effects on the box inside of the damaged box, man. So you see smooth edges on it. You know, everything is good with it. So whew, saved by the bell. But size tag on this one reads Air Jordan 1 Low. The color blocking is white, hemp, gum, yellow. So, what could these be, man? What could these be? But regular Air Jordan GS, you know, box, but you do know it's a low, because I did say that after I read it off. But opening up the lid, whoa, we got papers flying out, man. So we got our StockX, you know, usual stuff that it comes with, the little card. Got that it comes inside the box, and you do got your receipt, which I'm not gonna show y'all my receipt, but it did come with a receipt. Opening back up the box where we left off at, you do get those 2-3s, those gold 2-3s on it, and lot number, anything in here? No lot number, no white and green sticker, nothing. But we do have, bang, which I can see, of the Air Jordan 1 Low hemp. I don't know what else the rest of the name is, y'all, but
Jay making movies, swap it out, scene, gon' shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Truey. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing.
Bang! Here they go, man. The Air Jordan 1 Low hemp white. So that is the official colorway, man, on the hemp white lows. And we have seen recently like pictures of these shoes circulating all over. I mean, if y'all know, you know, but this is a shoe that has been floating around on images all over, you know, social media, and that's where it caught my attention. And I was like, man, let me go ahead and check them out. So I looked at them, looked into them, and I was like, let me go ahead and grab these, man. Very dope shoe. You got your, is that like a tan? It's like a brown, man. It's not really a tan, but it's like a brownish, a very light brown color, man. Got your gum bottom on the bottom. This is clean. Very clean Air Jordan 1, and like I said, these released only overseas, overseas exclusive. So StockX came through, you know, I had to grab them, and like I said, they're not going for too much right now if y'all want to pick them up. So check them out, but they're called, like I said, the Air Jordan 1 Low Hemp White. And yeah, man, your boy had to grab these, man. I got actually another pair of lows on the way, which is another dope pair, man. So I'm waiting to get that one and, you know, show it to y'all. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts on these, man. Is this a shoe, a Jordan 1 Low that y'all would, you know, would y'all pick these up? Are y'all going to pick these up? Because I had to have them, man. These are dope. These are dope in my opinion. But let me know y'all thoughts on them down below in the comment section, as well as your thoughts on those prototype Jordan 1 Lows or highs back there in the back. But these dope, man. These dope, man. But that's it for this one. I just wanted to show y'all these, unboxing with y'all. You know how we do over here. But that is it. Air Jordan 1 Low Hemp White. And we gonna check out. Let me know if I need to throw these on feet, man. Hey, give me what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 600 likes, man. That's nothing. 600 likes, we'll throw these on feet, you know, do a little fit with them and all that good stuff. But y'all let me know down below, and we gonna check up out of here till the next time. Y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay is checking out with these Air Jordan 1 Lows, as well as the prototypes just chilling off in the cut behind me, man. But we going to the next time. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.